So as a part of S&P Global Sustainable Mobility, we do track and forecast both upstream as well as downstream emissions right now up to 2036. The granularity we go is actually on nameplate level. And on this particular slide, what we see is the comparison of use phase emissions versus upstream emissions, the overall total figure for battery electric vehicles. We do see that up until 25, the largest emitter within BEVs is actually coming in from the use phase emission, which is actually the emission after the vehicle is being sold. But in 2027, we see something interesting happening where we see the upstream emissions actually overtakes the use phase emission, meaning to say that the emission which are being caused by building battery electric vehicles will be more than running battery electric vehicles. And the difference is forecasted to go further apart. So this becomes more than critical for OEMs as well as for suppliers, as well as for the automotive industry to focus on upstream emissions to reduce this part of the emission equation as well.